So hello YouTube, welcome for this video, and I hope all are doing well and all are fine and all are wealthy. Okay, let's start this video. So in this video, I'll teach you about how to use what Traceroute, TRAC Traceroute. So Traceroute is nothing but let me give an example. You have a device and you have a server. Okay, so the connection between device to server, okay, it can't go like you can't just throw a connection between device and server. You need some material media, right? You need some help between these two gaps. So in that gaps you will be having some routers. Okay, so your system will send the information to a router, then router will send the information to a server, then server will get back will send back information that will be acknowledgement, then the router will receive it, then the router will send back the information to my system. Okay, that is how what this trace route will do is that it will capture all the information, like not the information, all the connections, like if it is connecting from this device, then this IP address, then the next router IP address, then the next router, till to the server of a google.com. Like let me do google.com here, google.com, and see. So this is my this is my system IP address. Then this will be the first router which my system is connected to, and then this will be the second, third, fourth, fifth, like 12th. And let me wait for 2 seconds. Let me reach the end of the router. The end of the router will be the server, not the router. Okay, because the end will be the server, right? So the message is going, that is why. Okay, let's wait. There is there is totally 29 routers in between my system and the Google server. So the last router will be 30, that will be Google server. Okay, the next that you can use is that trace route -m. So -m is nothing but it is used to specify the maximum number of hops using -m. Like let me specify it as a 20, then google.com, then it will go for 20 ops. 20 ops maximum. What is this ops? Ops is nothing but, see, there is my device, then there is a server. So if you go for first router, then that is the one hop till to the server. It will be like how many ops are there. But now I'm specifying the maximum ops that should go is that 20 ops. That's all. That is the use of -m. Okay, trace route -s. So -s is used to specify source IP address. Let's say source IP address is nothing but, let's say 192.168.1.10 to google.com. Okay, Traceroute 30 ops, 60 packages cannot assign. Okay, so is that nothing but, so it is the source IP address. Source IP address should be your system IP address. Let's check what is the system IP address. Then it is showing 10.2. This will be my system IP address. Okay, since I am not connecting to the internet, it is taking NAT network. So I am in the NAT network area. Area access, network area, NAT network, NAT network. I mean, if I am in the NAT network, I will be anonymous inside the network. Okay, I'll be anonymous. So no, it's not that no one can track it, because I will not be having any 192 IP address. I'll be having 10.0.2.15 IP address. Okay, so if I use this IP address, if I use this IP address, if I use trace route, yes, then google.com, then it will take this as a source IP address. That will be my system IP address till to the google.com server IP address. That is how it works. See, it's working. So it took this as what. So Google IP address starts from 142.250 and 183 and 238. Like my IP address is starting from 10, and my private IP address will be 192 dot something like that. But what is this 142? 142 is nothing but reserved, something like that, because Google will be reserved, so no one can use it. Okay, like that. Okay, so we'll go for the next trace route. Hyphen capital letter I. Okay, hyphen capital letter I. Okay, it is nothing but you can use ICMP echo request instead of what normal package. If you specify google.com, you will get ICMP echo request. You will get you do not have enough privilege. Okay, let me use this with a sudo command. Okay, so I'm getting a IP address, what do you call, ICMP package. I'm getting ICMP package. ICMP is nothing but acknowledgement package, or like that. ICMP package also, not the acknowledgement. ICMP is nothing but which is used in what do you call, there is UDP and TCP, right? UDP and TCP, but ICMP is nothing but which is used in TCP packet, I guess. Yeah. Okay, the next thing is that using trace route -n. So -n is nothing but it is used to display the number numeric IP addresses. Let me say google.com. Let me take in the privileges. Let me run this command in the privileges, because if you run this command in the privileges, then you will get the IP addresses, what and all the IP addresses. If not, you will get the star. Okay, like this you will get. But if it could not find any IP address, then it will obviously do it star. If it is fine, then if it can find any IP address of a particular router, then it will obviously print the IP addresses. Okay, let's stop this. The next argument will be using -t. So -t is basically used to display the timestamp. Let me say google.com. It will display the, okay, you need privileges, sudo. Yeah, it will display the timestamp, timestamp as a millisecond as well, so it will display the timestamps. Okay, let's go for the next one. That will be using verbose. So verbose is basically verbose will display the verbose will display the what, bad option. Let me use argc. Maybe it does not support V. Basically it will support in the other OSs. This OSs does not support, I guess. Okay, let me go for the next one. That will be trace route, route and -i and -n and google.com. Okay, you don't have privileges, then you do privileges, then it will get the privileges and it will print the I means ICMP packets, then n means only the 20 nodes or something like that, only the 20 ops. Okay, so this will be the ICMP packages and the IP address of the particular routers that you need to get. Okay, the next thing is that if you don't know how to use the Traceroute, you can obviously use help command. Then you can check all the arguments that you can use with the trace route. There is many arguments that you can see. High is only for using ICMP packets, and T, if you use it will display only the TCP packets. And see, ports means ports, set the destination ports. like that. Okay, you can also use trace route and version. Okay, it is 2.1.0. so that is all up, guys. This is the use of trace route command, and thank you for watching.